The coolant pump of the N63B44TU2 engine performs the same primary functions as the pump used in the previous version of the engine. During a cold start, the ring valve is positioned above the impeller, reducing the volumetric flow rate by approximately 10%. This allows the engine to reach its operating temperature more quickly. When the coolant temperature exceeds 98 degrees Celsius, the ring valve opens and the flow rate increases to 100%. In addition to the known speed-dependent protection functions, the coolant pumps used in the N63B44TU2 engine are also controlled by the Digital Motor Electronics DME system. For this purpose, the thermostat drive includes an additional electric heating element, which is actuated by the DME according to a predefined characteristic curve. As a result, even when the coolant temperature is below 98 degrees Celsius and the engine speed is below 3,500 revolutions per minute, the system can increase the coolant flow rate to 100% when required. The N63B44TU2 engines are equipped with thermostats whose characteristic curves are linked to a stroke sensor. This sensor, based on the Hall effect and located behind the thermocouple, enables the detection of the thermostat's opening position and helps identify functional faults during diagnostics. All electronic components are impregnated and encapsulated in a single solid block of epoxy resin, providing complete isolation from contact with the coolant.